Guys, so today we're playing some Battle Cats. Go on, little man. Destroy him. Another little man. Get wrecked. Die. Another little man. I've unlocked a couple characters. Go on, little man. Go on, little man. Oh, you're fighting Japan. Turn it down a bit. So we're fighting Japan. We killed one. We killed the snake. We killed the snake. We get a big boy. A big boy. Whee! I've unlocked 3 more characters. Oh my god, look at them. Look at them go. Look how many there is. Jesus Christ. Another big man. Whoa. A hippo. Oh no. Oh no. We've got a hippo. The hippo does so much damage. Oh my god. We're nearly dead. We're 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 dead. Spawn another little man. Go. Oh my god, we're getting destroyed. We need an axe. We need an axe boy. We need an axe boy. And we need the long leg man. We need the long leg man. Axe boy, axe boy, axe boy. Axe boy. Whee! I need to get that long-legged boy. I need to get the long leg boy. The leg boy. I need to get the leg boy. Die, I need to kill that hippo. I need to kill that hippo. No, the axe boy died. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I need to kill the hippo quick. Go on, another big boy. And I've got another big boy. Go on. Kill him. Kill him, you stupid idiot. I need to kill that hippo. It does too much damage. It does too much damage, the hippo. The hippo does too much damage. Hippo does way too much damage. Quick! Just keep spawning. Spawn a big boy. Spawn a big boy. The big boys is what helps. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Home. Home. Kill. Kill quick. Oh, we're dead. Okay. Right. Alright, let's go. I'm ready to fight you, idiots. Long leg. Long leg. No, not long leg. Killed 2 boys. Another axe. We need the long leg. We need Mr. Long. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Look at him, he whacks him. He goes, he just whacked him. Whoosh. Oh, don't say the long leg boy. The long leg boy does a lot of damage. Kill the hippo! Kill the hippo! Please kill the hippo! Please kill the hippo. Oh my god, the hippo's coming. Long leg. Smack him. Yes, the hippo's dead. Another long leg. Right, we're gonna destroy him now. Japan's quite hefty, but we can do it. As long as we keep these little men coming and the long legs, we're good. Yes. Smack. I just really hope that another hippo doesn't come out. Look at them, they're coming. Please don't send out another hippo. We lost a long leg, but that's fine. The cat seeker, cats. Whoa, this guy's gonna be. Whoa, whoa. Hold up, hold up. We just got loads of stuff here. What? Oh my god. Event stuff. Got a new unit, what? Ooh. I don't go on. Chief cat, the chief. We got the chief, bishop. What? How do you say that? Just to say, I'm gonna post this on my YouTube channel. Try 2 times. He dead. Cow cat. Fish cat. Oh, that's creepy. That is really creepy. I hate that. That's creepy. That's creepy. That's creepy. That's creepy. 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 It's creepy. It's creepy. Special cats. The cat god. Say what? We can get the cat god. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Didn't we get a new... We got more cat... We got new cats though, didn't we? I don't know where that fish cat's gone, but alright. Equip. Where were we? Can I put you on? No. We're getting so many cat food. Why do we even need this cat food? What do we need it for? Right, Australia, get wrecked. We're gonna destroy you. Oh, Japan had loads of energy. Oh, wait, no. Do you believe in God? Yes, I believe in God. Well, I don't. But I believe in the cat god. What in the hell is this? Produce... Whoa! What the hell? This is gay. I'm gonna have to try and censor this. But... Oh! Look at him, he's going! Look at him go. Look at him go! Let's just check in here. Oh, yes. Ha ha ha. Oh, lightning strike. Look at the gross cat. Look at the long-legged cat. He's just like, hello, little man. Hello, little man. Look how many cats we've got. Just to say, our bases are quite close. Got all three.